Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks so much for joining us. Today we are going to draw wide receiver superstar DeVonta Smith of the Philadelphia Eagles. DeVonta Smith played for Alabama University, was an amazing receiver there. He won the Heisman Trophy, was the 10th draft pick in 2021, and now headed to the Super Bowl with the Philadelphia Eagles. So fun to watch. Let's get started. Let's find the center of our page up and down, the center of our page across, and then just move up. And we're gonna do the head of DeVonta Smith here. So get your dark marker. It could be black, could be charcoal gray. And here we go. So we'll start with the jaw. The jaw line will go down, in to the center, cross, slant up, and up. A little slant out. All right, he's got some ears right here. So 1, 2. So DeVonta Smith has kind of a shorter, more rounded head. So we're gonna pop this side out, out, and connect the best we can. All right, good job. There we go. Let's do a neck really quick. We'll go down, slant in, come off that chin, slant in, down to a V, up. Now on these eyes right here, we're gonna do them about the top of the ear. We'll do a kind of a squinted oval shape there. Do a big highlight. So these circles on the inside stay white. Do another circle that stays white. And we'll color this area in, leaving those areas white for highlights. The highlights always bring the characters to life. And really quick, we're gonna get our light baby blue marker. And I like to fill this area in with a blue color. I always say it represents the reflection of the stadium lights off of the player's eyes. Okay, and next we have up, up. These are the eyebrows. Kind of slants up, slants down toward the ear, slants down toward the ear. Go up, and kind of round it out to a point. Round it out to a point and fill those in with our black marker. Alrighty. And on the nose, we're just gonna go come down from the edge of the eye, draw 2 dots, and we're gonna do a sideways raindrop for the nose, a couple of nostrils, and let's do the hairline. So starting at the ear, we're gonna go curve up to the top of the head, go straight across to that side, and come down to the ear. And we'll color this area in with our dark marker and black in the fast forward. We're just blocking the shape out right now. So right now we're gonna do the mouth. Okay, we're gonna do the middle of the lip here. We'll go down, up, and down. Okay, let's do the top lip, goes up and down, and the bottom lip goes down and up. A little chin. All right, looking good. I'm gonna do a couple of circles right there on the ears. DeVonta Smith has earrings he always wears, so I did these circles to make sure I remember to do the earrings there. All right, he's got a little, let's do the shoulder pad now. Curve off of the neck, curve off of the neck, round it off, round it off. DeVonta Smith's a really skinny, kind of thin, fast player, so we're gonna make our player smaller and thinner. Let's do, he has a neckline. This neckline will stay black. We'll color it in a minute. That'll be black. Let's do the number 6 in a minute. Right now we'll do a football. curve out for the shape of the football. It doesn't have to be perfect. My football's a little skinny, a little squished, but hey, it's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers and another for the thumb up top. The arm's gonna be a little skinnier, so do a bump into the football. I mean, he's gotta be a little skinny, right? Because he's fast. He's a wide receiver and they have to be the fastest on the field. We're gonna do a hand out here. Let's do this. So we'll get curve out with a thumb, up with a finger, out with another finger, and the pinky, and up to the thumb. Okay? And then bump for the bicep arm, a bump, and bring it down to the thumb, and bring it down to the hand. So basically he's reaching out at us and the rest of his arm's hidden back there. Let's do a little towel hanging off of his hip, curve that. And now his pants right here, his legs. 1, up, down, curve, and up into the towel. And his legs are a little longer, like I said, a little thinner, a little skinnier, because he's a fast receiver. Connect those two legs. All right, let's do the big shoes. We like to do our clown shoes here. 1, 2, those are the tongues of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelace over there. Go out and down. Straight across to the ankle, and we'll stop and connect up to the leg. Bring this ankle down and stop. Straight across to the edge of the paper. Up and connect to the shoelace. All right, looking good, DeVonta. All right, so now I'm gonna put that marker away. I'm gonna grab my dark emerald green color for the Philadelphia Eagles green. Get the pointed tip right here. We are going to do the number 6 right here. So I'm gonna curve up and down, almost like I'm doing an oval, okay? Or a big C, okay? Come straight across, curve up, curve out, and connect, and do an oval on the inside. All right, looking good. All right, so right here, let's do a stripe. We'll bring our green down, green down. This will all be colored in green. We can color that in now if we want. Since the towel's there, we'll start our stripe just below the towel in green. Let's do a stripe for the shoes. Curve, curve, curve down, curve down. Shoelace, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna color all this in green for fun. Now, we pretty much have it all blocked in. What we're gonna do is get a black marker and start to fill in some of the other areas. We have a stripe right here on the edge of this green stripe in black, kind of a thin black stripe. Same over here. And really that's it. Now, we are going to hit fast forward. We're gonna fast forward this video. I'm gonna fill all of this in, flesh color face, color the hair in black, dark green jersey, brown football, flesh color arms, leave the socks white, green shoes, and there we have DeVonta Smith of the Philadelphia Eagles, superstar wide receiver. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to build our subscriber base quickly. It's really fun to do this, but we need to build that up and see if you guys like what we do. So follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Don't forget to send some requests. Let us know who you want to see next. Fast forward now.